assignment, you need to look up the lift points of 4 different vehicles. So how do we find 4 vehicles? Well, let's go ahead and open up a new tab and just go to our favorite car shopping website of KSL. Go to cars, and what I would like you to use is the first 4 that come up. Okay, those all happen to be trucks, so we're just going to go to the second row. So I got a BMW, an F-250, a Saturn, and a 1500. So just pick the ones that pop up. Don't look for exotic vehicles or high price dollar ones. It will not work. They have specialized stuff, especially like older vehicles. So I'm just going to pick off this one, which is a 2013 BMW X5. Okay, that's my first car I'm going to look up. I'm going to go to ProDemand. Okay, just Google ProDemand, and this is the website you're going to come up with. You're going to hit login, and as you're at the school, it will load up, and this should be the screen that you see. So, once again, it was a 2013 BMW, and it was the X5. So I scroll down until we get there. X5. Okay, what engine? 3.0 or 4.4? I'm gonna have to open it up. I think it's the 4.4. Well, 3.0. Okay, and here it doesn't sport. Okay, and it just comes through, double checks all that information, hit use this vehicle. Okay, and then we have our home page. And if we look right across all of this, we will find tire information and lift points. Click on that. Now, every vehicle is going to be slightly different. But here we go. Align support plates on of the lift platform arms to the jack points. And there you go. It gives you a little image. This is then it gives you another image of where you can lift. So if you want to lift the whole back car, you can lift on number 3. For the front of the vehicle, there's this cross member. You can lift on number 1. But to use the 2-post lift, you're going to go to these 4 spots. And then that's what they look like. So this is what I'm looking for. So you hit print, okay, print, and then up here you want to make sure it says save as PDF, and then save. And right here you need to change the name. It cannot be print friendly view. Okay, so it's going to be your name. Part number 1 lift points. Okay, and then I hit save. And now I have the first one to turn in. Remember, you're going to turn in 4 of these. That was all I had to do. Okay, so it was print, print, save as, change name, save. And you need to do that 4 times. There's 4 separate assignments to turn these into. So that way I get each one. All right, that is how you find lift points on ProDemand. Thank you.